Bonjour! This week, we are going back in this mini-series in the closet. Yes, we are going together to understanding and knowing why you have been pushed that thing away for so long. Why is it that you procrastinate when it comes to that yes-no pile? Ouch, how to doing it? Well, let me give you a clue. Your closet is your emotional vault. Your closet is your emotional storage, your memory lane storage. That's what it is. So when you walk into it, each piece of clothing reminds you of a story, the good, the bad, the ugly, the best date ever, the best body ever, maybe something a little more painful, maybe the ugliest piece you've ever bought, but the tag is still on it. There's a dollar value to it. Guess what? It is time to take care of business, because you know how Image Impact Index, my coaching program, is all about understanding that the way you are getting ready in the morning is the way you're telling the world your story. This is really crucial to understanding branding is starting at home with all your emotions, because you're wearing them on you. So this week, day by day, we are going to go through one piece at a time to understanding why you kept it, why you shouldn't keep it, and really knowing that now you're going to be able to really convey the world after this quarantine, the perfect you, exactly who you are at the core of you, the real leader of your life. So you ready? Let's do it and look into the next episode.